Most people think you need years of experience to trade confidently. But one of my students recently reminded me that that's not true. When she joined my training, I had no idea she was a complete beginner. Honestly, I thought she had prior experience because of how calm and structured she trades now. So recently, when she wrote her review, come to find out, everything she knows came straight from my training videos. So today I want to break down what helped her go from zero knowledge to trading live, confident, and consistent, and how you can do the same. You learn to slow down and stop chasing every move. That's when trading finally starts making sense. So for my students, we focus on reading the story of the chart. Where is price building up liquidity? Where is it breaking structure? And where is it offering like the cleanest opportunity, which is I call it my precision entries. So when you focus on clarity instead of chaos, trading becomes calm and most rewarding, it starts becoming predictable. Okay, so the market moves in a rhythm where it forms highs and lows, creating structure. We're gonna start with the daily time frame and see where we are right now, where we had the market clearly in an uptrend. We're having highs and lows. And then we get here. Here we are today. And it is Sunday, so the market has not opened yet. However, we will have a new candle form soon. But this is how we ended on Friday. High and a low. So let's step down to the 4-hour, looking at structure here. Highs and lows, high, low, high, low. So we're kind of starting to break some structure here. As you can see, taking liquidity. We have some people who were in buys, wanting the market to continue up. And this is a common area where some may want to put their stop loss while the market's moving up and up. That's the last low. So we have a lot of stop losses there. So the market went up, created a high, and it dropped lower, kept going lower. And where did it draw to? Right under here where these stop losses were. And that's considered liquidity. And after it did that, what did it do? Went right back up. So all of these people have been taken out of their trade here on Friday. And then the market continued up. So let's go to the 1 hour. And here we're starting to see some downtrend structure. High, low. No higher high here. Instead, we get a lower high. Low. Another equal high, somewhat equal, with the rejection. Then we fall down. So that's telling you the trend has changed. Now, we remember our high, low, go strategy. There was no opportunity to go here And if you don't know that, I do have videos that I made. I will link it in the description as well as on this video, so you can check that out. But we have our high, low. Then again, remember, we can't go until it breaks the last high. The market never came up to break that high. So the market is signaling that it wants to change. It wants to reverse. It did it here and again here. So those are some pretty good signals that the market wants to drop. So instead of having high, low, go, we have our high. We have our high, which didn't go higher than this high. So in this case, it's now low, high. Then when we break this low, we go. So it's just the opposite of high, low, go. We have low, high. Under here, go. And see how the market came back? It broke this low here, both of them actually. Came back to retest it and fell out. So now we have another low, high. So where can we go, guys? We have to wait until the market breaks the last low to be able to go. So low, high. We have this here. Look, another sign that the market does not want to continue up, confirming this downtrend. And then we drop. So we're under this low. We're safe to sell. We had some consolidation. And then we drop beautifully. Low, high, not chasing this move. We break this low, then we go. And then right after that, taking the liquidity I showed you guys earlier, right under here, we come back up. So this is the higher time frame, 1 hour. We don't guess market. We wait and see what the market gives us. So we are at a pretty nice area where we could see some reactions. So we just wait. We wait and see, does the market want to stay under this low and go again? Does the market want to come above? Does it want to fill in inefficiencies and then fall? Does it want to fill in inefficiencies and go up? So these are scenarios. These are scenarios that we want to watch and see what the market gives us. Then, of course, we have our 15-minute time frame where you guys can look for your entries. I teach my students precision entries on the 1 minute. And it's nothing to get intimidated by. It's super easy because the thing is, I give exact key, you know exactly what to look for on the 1 minute. So it doesn't look like a foreign chart to you because I've been there. I've learned several different strategies. Thought I had it, profiting. And then one day I look at the chart and I'm like, what am I looking at? Do I use this strategy? Do I use this one, this one, this one? What do I use? That was my issue with trading. So what I teach, you have set levels, specific areas where you're putting everything. I tell you exactly what to look for, and then you wait. You have to have patience. Then you execute, and that's where you have to have confidence. So this is where I teach my students to enter, where it's clean, it's logical, and it just removes the need to guess. So once you understand this rhythm, you stop chasing trades and you start reading them. Okay, real quick, we left off with the market here, and then for Sunday, we opened higher. And I did mention that the market may possibly want to explore inefficiencies, which is what we had the market do very nicely. And as you can see, the market is still giving you signs that it does not want to go up. Every time we come up here, we're going down, we're going down. A lower high here, and then we just drop. So I just want to show this to you guys so you can know that this stuff works. All you have to do is apply it and keep it simple. So that same student applied this exact approach. She didn't have years of back testing behind her. She just had focus and structure. So she started with zero experience, and now she's trading live, holding her positions and seeing consistent results. So what exactly changed? She stopped chasing shortcuts. She learned the rhythm of the market. She trusted one clear system. If you're watching this and you're tired of overcomplicating trading, or you've been trying to figure it out alone, this is your sign to start with structure. So inside the Precision Vault, I teach everything step by step, the same framework that turned beginners into confident, consistent traders. It's not about signals or copying anyone. It's about understanding price for yourself, understanding the emotion and the patience. The link's in the description if you're ready to learn a skill that gives you peace and profit. Remember, it's not just about becoming profitable, it's about becoming peaceful at the same time. When you understand structure, you stop reacting and start leading your own trades, building confidence. So I'll see you in the next video. And if you're already inside the vault, keep back testing, keep journaling, and keep moving with precision.